Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is safe and well and is ready. Today will be about the Look Fantastic beauty box, and today it's not exactly a box, it's in a bag. So July's edition is a beauty bag instead of a beauty box. So if you're new to the Look Fantastic beauty boxes, I will of course leave all the details down below. So as usual, the beauty box edit comes with the Look Fantastic beauty box magazine. Now inside here, as usual, it has all the products inside, how to use them, what they are, little interviews, tips and tricks and all that sort of good stuff. Just a quick overview of what's inside the box. So that's what we've got here. And as always, I love to give you the sneak peek. Right, okay, I always do this and I apologize. So before I get to the sneak peek, I want to talk a little about this month's theme, which is, if I can actually find it, it is called Wanderlust. Here we are. So, behind the theme. So we've got which countries are reopening for tourists and the global COVID vaccine rollout holidays, whether it be abroad or staycation, are on the cards for many this summer. And hasn't it been a long time coming? Yes. So the prospect of such things in the meaning behind this month's Wanderlust edition, as well as we start to make our dreams of faraway places that bit more of a reality. So looking ahead, it goes without saying that behind every successful holiday is a great plan. Well, what better time to start planning than now? Whip out your notebook, get yourself on Google and start getting some things in the diary. You deserve it. So what's on top of your list? If you do get away this summer, this month's travel bag is perfect for all your beauty products. Let's see how far it will go. So the box, or should we say bag, in honor of our Wanderlust edition, we thought we'd switch things up and give you something a bit more special to honor the theme. Enter this month's travel bag. Perfect for your vacation, staycation or sleepover. Whatever, wherever you fancy using it, we hope you enjoy it on your travels. It also has a psst. We always love seeing you using your monthly boxes, so make sure to tag us in your Instagram post using hashtag LFBeautyBox so we can see how you're using your travel bag. And that's the bag, and you can see behind as well. So that was the theme. So I think it's actually a really good idea to have like a bag to like carry to holiday or sleepover or staycation, wherever you go. I think it's quite handy. So good job there, Look Fantastic. I want to show you next month's sneak peek. So we have this as the sneak peek. And here we have the Chiate, not sure how to say it, Glow to Illuminating Blush Matchmaker. So get a natural flush of colour and an enviable glow with this marble illuminating blusher with a lightweight finish. It's ideal for any no makeup looks whilst being buildable for something more full coverage. So it is what it looks like. So next to the sneak peek, they have like the limited edition beauty boxes here. Okay, so now let's open up the bag and have a look what's inside. So the bag looks like this. You've got the Look Fantastic logo here, and that's the back, and this is the front. So it's transparent, so you can see what's inside, got a handle, and obviously the zip. So it opens up, right, even though it's not a box, I have a funny feeling I'm going to drop it. Right, okay, so opens like that. First up in the box we have this. So here we have the Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care Defense Anti-Pollution Leave-In Spray. So this is a protective hair mist that shields your hair from heat damage, color fade and external aggressors. It's vegan friendly and formulated without parabens, sulfates or silicones, which is especially great for greasy hair that is prone to product buildup. So this has green tea extracts and sunflower extracts and vitamin B5. Next up we have the Minetan Body and Skin Hydrating Face and Body Tan Mist. So it's Cucumber, Soothe and Moisturize. So this is a refreshing face and body spray which acts as a gradual tanner to give you a bronzy glow this summer with a lightweight formula that is instantly absorbed and zero fake tan smell. This gradual tanner is suitable for your face and body and is perfect for that golden glow. Then the third product that we have, which is this. So next up we've got the Illamasqua Beyond Liquid Highlighter, and it's OMG. I think that's what it's called. So this is a liquid highlighter which takes inspiration from the brand's infamous Beyond Highlighting Powder, and this will give you a striking strobe-like glow. So you can mix this into your base makeup for a natural luminosity or apply directly to the high points of the face for a champagne glowy finish. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like. The colour. Let's see if I can. There we are. Right, as usual, I'll try and put. Oh, yep, that was not. Try and put a little. I've actually overflowed. Yeah. So that is. Damn, that is shiny. Obviously, you're not supposed to put that much, but. Yeah, look. Oh, just gonna. There we are. See, it provides some high shine. So the fourth product we've got, which is this, the VIP Starskin 7-second luxury all-day mask. So this is a miracle 7-step skincare regime in one healthy pad that combines Starskin's famous 7-second morning and overnight masks. This double-sided cleansing pad works to hydrate and refresh your complexion as it cleans for a quick but effective skincare. Next, we've got this. So here we have the Revlon Creamy Lipstick, which adds a pop of natural colour to your pout. It's infused with Liquid Silk formula that seals in both pigment and softness for a lip lock that is long lasting and doesn't crack or flake. So this is in the color Rose Wine, which is 225. So this is the color. I'm going to do a quick swatch on my hand. It's like a shimmery rose, and we'll have to see how it looks like on myself. So it is like a really nice color. And then the last product we have is this. We've got the Elemis Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. Now, this is basically a priming moisturizer to give you smooth, radiant complexion of your dreams. It's blended with nourishing ingredients that will also brighten your skin, perfect for use as a daily moisturizer and a primer, or even as a natural base. So this has kombucha, ginger, green tea seed oil. So that brings us to the end of the beauty bag and also the end of the video. So let me know what you think about the products. I think it's kind of a mix for me. Some of them are great, some of them not. So for example, for me, the tan mist is something that I don't need, so I'm not going to complain. Again, this is going to be like a good little present for one of my friends. They will make better use out of it than me. The rest, I think it's quite good. I have other products from Grow Gorgeous that I'm yet still to try. But yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. And once again, thank you all for all your love and support in watching this video. If you have liked this video, don't forget to press the thumbs up button and comment, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Stay safe, take care, and stay positive, and I'll see you next time. Bye.